Assalamu alaikum, lovely people. Welcome back once again. Thank you all for supporting this channel always. Families, there is news here that I want to share with all of us. But before I go into the news, let me appreciate these lovely people supporting my channel membership. My heart is grateful. Thank you all for joining. In fact, I really appreciate. And to those of you who watch, comment, share to your friends to also support it, I am grateful for that. And the news says ex-Fencing Federation president gets 4 years prison, 271,000 dinar fine for money laundering in Kuwait. The criminal court, presided over by Councillor Dr. Khalid Al-Omar, has sentenced the former head of the Fencing Federation to 4 years in prison and imposed a fine of 271,000 dinar. Family, this money that I just mentioned, not be small money. Additionally, a travel employee involved in the case was sentenced to 3 years of imprisonment. Both individuals were found guilty of embezzling public funds and engaging in money laundering activities. The public prosecution has charged the first defendant with money laundering amounting to 1,181,529 dinars. The defendant allegedly obtained these funds knowing they were the result of criminal activities, including forgery of official documents and fraud. He reportedly received checks issued by the union into his own accounts, whilst also utilizing 2 other accounts in good faith to receive additional checks from the union. These funds were then converted into cash or transferred via bank transactions to his account. This scheme was designed to conceal and disguise the illegal origins of the money. Families, you see, this is the reason why I said when you come to Kuwait here, focus on what brought you here. Yes, so because here no one is above the law. You see, this person is a citizen, no, but you see how they are. Like, this is why I love so much about this country, Kuwait. So this Gulf countries, hey, it doesn't matter you are a citizen, you are this, no matter your position. If you do something wrong, the law must deal with you. So please, to anyone planning to come to Gulf country here, when you come here, please abide by the rules of the land, and you will enjoy this country very well. So this is what I just want to share with all of us, to learn something small about Kuwait, that if you come here, focus on your job, no reason why you are here, do your work, get your money, go back to your country. Yes, to meet your family in good health and happiness. Don't put any pressure on them, because so if I've watched to this point, I really appreciate you a lot. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Masala.